All right, these are already and looking beautiful. This is actually my first time using croissants. I had them left over, so I said, why not use them to make some French toast? It's really, really good. Get the blueberries on the side too. Hey everybody, welcome back to A Taste of Cafe Nailu, where everything is lip smacking, toe tapping good. Guess what I'm gonna be making today with these beautiful little babies here? We're making French toast croissants with leftover croissants that I had in the fridge, and I placed them in the microwave for about 15 to 20 seconds. And what we're gonna start off first is we're gonna get these babies flattened. Now you can either smash them yourself to make them flat, or you can use a rolling pin. And I think I'm gonna use my rolling pin, and I'm gonna roll them all at the same time, because you want them as flat as possible. So I'm just gonna roll them out so they'll be flat like a regular piece of bread. Okay, now they're looking like that. See that? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and set these over to the side. They have a lot of grease on them because they're buttery. All right, now we're gonna get our eggs cracked. I have 3 eggs. I'm gonna crack those babies. All right, now I have my eggs. I'm just gonna whisk them up a little bit, just to get them circulated somewhat. And then I have a cup of, I'm using lactate milk, but you can use whole milk or 2%. It's lactate 2%. And that's a cup. And I have maybe about a tablespoon of white sugar. I may just use half of that, so I'm gonna say a teaspoon. And some cinnamon. See that? And I just sprinkle until I think it's enough for me. And of course, you gotta have you some vanilla extract. The pure vanilla extract is the best. And I'm just gonna use this little cap, maybe put 2 in there. And then we're just gonna mix all that up together. And I'm just making a mess. Slow down, sister, slow down. All right. I think I got all the eggs incorporated. All right, I think I want a little more cinnamon. And this is optional, but I like a lot of cinnamon in mine. So let's go, let's start dipping, get them coated. So they look like that. And then I'm gonna let these sit while my griddle is heating up, so they can get really, really flavored with the egg and the cinnamon and the sugar and the vanilla. So I'm gonna set this aside, and then we're gonna turn on my grill here. Let me turn my screen over a little bit. All right. So I'm gonna plug it up and get it started. Turning it on 350. and I'll be back. All right, my griddle is hot, so I'm gonna get a few dabs of butter on there. Grease those up really good. Well, let me get my other knife. I'm gonna scratch up my griddle. All right, so we're gonna put our French toast on there, our French croissants, I should say. Ooh, this thing is breaking up. Oh, it smells so good. You all don't throw away all your leftovers. Food is too expensive nowadays to be throwing everything away. Find things to do with your leftovers. This croissants make a good cheese toast too. Leftover croissants. If you put flatten it like this and put a slice of Colby Jack or cheddar cheese on it, put under the griddle. Ooh, it's fire, baby. It's fire. All right, I'm gonna let these cook up for a little bit, and then I will be back to flip them over. Okay. All right, let's flip them over. Ooh, they looking good, and all this egg. Ooh. I'm telling you, it's gonna be some good eats, some lip smacking, toe tapping, good eats. Here, you hear me when I say? Got a little crunch on the sides. Yes. Syrup and that brown sugar, not brown sugar, powdered sugar is gonna be sprinkled on top. With a little fruit on the side. Hey, you got you a good meal. And you didn't have to pay for it. You didn't have to go to the restaurant and pay for French toast. And it's not French toast, it's croissant French toast or French toast croissants. Croissant.